Hi, so in this video I will be covering multiplication of matrices. So let's start. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, so please consider liking this channel and subscribing to this channel, and also share it with your friends if I have added value in your life. So okay, let's start. So first of all, so without wasting any time, I'll be directly going to the how to do the multiplication of matrices. Okay, so starting with, let me take a random 1 cross 1 matrix. Let me take a matrix of A is equal to 2, which is a 1 cross 1 matrix, and let me take a matrix B, which is, let's say it is 5. Okay, so it is a 1 cross 1 matrix. So if I say I have to find the multiplication of two matrices, which means I have to find A cross B. So what will be it? It is simply 2 into 5, and it will be 1 cross 1. Okay, so it is no issue. So you can write like this: when A is equal to some random 1 cross 1 matrix and it has only one element, and when B is equal to, it also has only one element. Okay, and it is only 2 cross 2 matrix, and when we will multiply both, we will get only AB. We will get only AB. And when we go to the 2 cross 2 matrices, when we go to the multiplication of 2 cross 2 matrices, let's say we have A 2 4 3 and 2. Okay, so and let's say we have B 1 0 9 2. Okay, so we have these matrices. So when we will multiply AB, so what we will do? So it is 2 4 3 2 multiplied by 109 and 2. So okay, so remember one thing, we will multiply something like this. First of all, we will take this row, and then we will take this column, then we will again take this row, and then we will again take this column, then we will take this row, and then we will take this column, and then again we will take this row, and then we will take this column. Okay, so before all of this, I want to tell you something very important. Okay, so which is, so let's say we have a matrix A of m cross n, and we have a matrix B of n cross m. Okay, so it is n cross m. So if we are to multiply AB, we must make sure that the number of column of A and the number of row of B is same. If it is not same, then we will not be able to multiply A and B. Please consider this. I am repeating again. So for us to multiply, for us to multiply A matrix and B matrix, for us to multiply A matrix and B matrix, we have to make sure that the number of columns in A and the number of columns in B are same. I repeat again, for us to multiply A matrix and B matrix, we have to make sure that the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. So okay, so let's say we have a matrix 3 cross 8 and we have a B matrix 7 cross 4. So we won't be able to multiply this matrix. But let's say we have a matrix A, which is a 2 cross 4 matrix, and we have a matrix B, which is a 4 cross let's say 3 matrix. Okay, 4 cross 3. So the matrix, the resultant matrix, which is the AB matrix will be of 2 cross 3 order. So you can think like this, that this will get even out, this thing will get even out. Okay, so let me rub it and draw this again using some separate color, so that it will be easy for you to understand this will get, you can understand like this, you can, I think you can think like this, that it will get separated out, and only the number of row of A and the number of row of B will be left. Okay, so let me tell you, let me just give you an example again. Let's say we have a matrix A, which is, let's say, 7 cross 9 matrix, and we have a matrix B, which is a 9 cross 1 matrix. So the resultant matrix will be AB. Okay, and it will have an order of, I think you have made it, it will have an order of 7 cross 1. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say we have a matrix 2 cross 3 and we have a matrix 2 cross 3. Okay, the resultant AB matrix, AB matrix will have order 2 cross 3. Okay, so before starting, we have to make sure that the number of columns of A and the number of rows of B is the same. Okay, so let's start the matrix. Okay, let's start the multiplication. So here you can see that the number of rows of A matrix is 2 cross 2, and the number of columns and the rows, I mean the order, is also 2 cross 2. So here it is 2 and here it is also 2, so we can easily multiply it without any problem. So let's start. I will go with the multiplication of matrices in very deep manner, okay, so that no matter from which country you are, you will be able to understand. Okay, so let's see how will we order. So the multiply, so the first step is that we will multiply this element with this element. Okay, so it will be 2 cross 1, and then we will multiply this element with this element, so it will be plus 4 into 9. This will be the first element, a11 element. So let's see, you can see this here that it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, it's also a 2 cross 2 matrix. So the AB matrix which we will get will be of 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so you can see this like this. So then again, how will we do this? Now the first step is complete. Now the first step is complete. Now what will we do? We will multiply this element with this element. Okay, so it will be a12 number. Okay, it will be the a12. So 2 cross 0 plus 4 cross 2, 4 cross 2, and then what will we get here? You then, after it is over, we will multiply this step with this one and this one with this one. Okay, so we will get 3 cross 1 plus 2 cross 9. Let me rub this so that you don't fall in some confusion. Okay, after multiplying this with this, we will multiply this element. See, we will multiply this with this. We will multiply 3 cross 0 plus 2 cross 2. I also have a short trick for you which I will be telling in very short time. Okay, so first of all, let's learn the basics, because learning the basic is very important. So it will be 3 plus 18 and it will be 0 plus 4. So then the resultant matrix is 38, 8, 21, and it will be 4. So this is the resultant matrix. So let me take another example. So let's say we have a matrix. Let's say, sorry, it's not 4, it's question number anything. So let's say we have a matrix 2 4 3 2, 2 4 3 2, and we have a matrix B, let's say 1 3 minus 2 and 5. Okay, now we are supposed to multiply this. We are supposed to multiply AB. So what will we get? Okay, so first of all, you can see that A is 2 cross 2 and B is 2 cross 2. The resultant matrix will be of order 2 cross 2. So here you can see that first of all we will multiply 2 into 1, 2 with 1, and then we will add it with 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2. This is the element A11. Then we will multiply the 2 and 4 with 3 and 5. Then we will multiply 2 with 3 plus 4 with 5. You can remember something like this. This one with this one, then this one with this one, and if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix where we will be coming soon, we will get this one with this one too. And then after completing this first row with all the 3 columns, then we will come with the second row, then we will multiply it similarly with all the 3 columns. And let's say if it has another row, so then we will multiply this row with these 3 columns. Okay, so this is the most basic way and that I can explain it to you. So then we will multiply this 3 with 1 and this 2 with minus 2. Then you can multiply this 3 with 1 and this 2 with minus 2. Then we can multiply 3 with 3 and 2 with 5. 3 with 3 plus 2 with 5. Okay, you can see something like this. There is one pattern coming out, that when you multiply the first and when you multiply the second, you can see that the second element of multiplication is same. Here it is 1 1 minus 2 minus 2, 3 3 5 5. You just have to put 3 and 2. Let's see, here you have 2 and 4, 2 4 2 4. Then the second row we have 3 and 2. Here you can see that we have 3 2 3 2. Okay, so it is just a small trick which I have shared with you, and but first step should always be learning the basic. Okay, so the answer will be 3 minus 4, and here you will get 9 plus 10. Okay, so we will get something like 6, 26, minus 1 and 19. Okay, so this is the right answer. So let's go with another question. Let's say we have to multiply 1, 2, 3 with 2, 3, 4 with 2, 3, 4. So it is a very nice question. We have to multiply this. Okay, so here we have the order of 3 cross 1 and here we have the order of 1 cross 3. We have the order of 3 cross 1 and here we have the order of 1 cross 3. So the resultant matrix will be 3 cross 3 matrix. The resultant matrix will be 3 cross 3 matrix. So let's start the multiplication. As I have told you, we will multiply the first row. With the first column. What is the first row here? We have only 1. And what is the first column here? We have only 2. Then we don't have other elements of the row and we don't have other elements of the column. So we will start multiplying with 1 and 2. Then we will multiply the same row with the second column. We will multiply it with the second column and then we will multiply the row with the third column. I hope you have got my point. If you haven't, then please rewatch it again. I am sure you will understanding. So but still I am explaining it to you again. We will multiply the first row and in this row we have only one element. And in this column we have only one element. Okay, so I think now you have got my point. And here we will multiply this 2 with the only column we have 2. Okay, and then we will multiply these 2 with 3. We will multiply these 2 with 4. And we will multiply these 3 with 2, 3 with 3, 3 with 4. Here too you can see that the pattern is arising. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. I hope you have got my point. So we will get 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9 and 12. So it is the final answer. So let's do some more questions in this and then we will end this topic. Okay, so now we will multiply two 3 cross 3 matrices. So let's see how will we multiply this. Okay, so to multiply 3 cross 3 matrix, the procedure is almost the same. First of all, we will take this row and then we'll multiply it with this column. Okay, and the elements which we will get will constitute the A11 elements. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. Okay, so see, we will multiply 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. Okay, so next we will multiply this first row with the elements of the second column and the elements will be of A12 row. Okay, so let's see how we will do this. We will multiply 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Next we will multiply the first row with the third column. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. Okay, so this is our first row of the multiplied matrix. Okay, if we consider this A, if we consider this B, so this matrix will be known as AB. So let's do the second part of the matrix. Okay, so 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 6. Okay, so this row with this column. Now we will multiply this row with this column. So 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0 and next 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Okay, I hope you can see this. And the last will be 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3 and then 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0 and the last 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5. Okay, so this is the end of the matrix and now we will just have to simplify it. So what's 2 into 1? 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0 and 4 into 3 is 12 and this will be minus 6 plus 6 and then 10 plus 12 plus 20. Okay, so next 3 into 1 is 3 plus 30. Okay, and then 4 plus 18 and minus 9 plus 8, minus 12 plus 10, and 15 plus 16 plus 25, 20 plus 20 plus 30. Okay, so next we have to just add this. 12 plus 2 will be 14. Here we will get 0, and then 22 plus 20 will be 42. This year we will get 33. Okay, so let me see. 5 into 6, 5, it will be 5 into 3. I am mistakenly writing, yes. Okay, so it will be 15. So we will getting 18, and then minus 1, and then 56, because 15 plus 16, it will be 31, 25, 56. Okay, and here we will be getting 22 minus 2, and then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, we will be getting, this is our required matrix. Okay, so let us multiply another matrix. Let us multiply another 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so let us multiply, let us take 1, 2 and minus 3, and then 5, 0 and 2, 5, 0 and 2, and 1, minus 1 and 1. So let us take this matrix and we will multiply it with minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, and 2, 0, 3. Okay, we have to multiply this matrix, and let's do it quickly. So we will multiply this row with this column. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into 2, and then this row with this column. 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 3 into 0, and then 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 plus minus 3 into 3, and then 5 into 3 plus 0 into 4 plus 2 into 2, 5 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0, 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 0 into 5, and 2 into 3, 0 into 5 plus 2 into 3, and then 1 into 3 on, wait, I have mistakenly written minus 3, it will be only 3, 1 into 3, and then minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2, and then we will be multiplying 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 plus not plus 1, it will be minus 1, not plus 1, it will be minus 1 into 2, and then plus 1 into 0, 1 into 2 minus 1 into 5, and plus 1 into 3, and now just we have to simplify it, okay, so let's do this. So 3 plus 8 minus 6 minus 1 plus 4, and then we will be getting 2 plus 10 minus 9, 2 plus 10 minus 9. Next, let's do here 15 plus 4 minus 5, and then 10 plus 6, 3 minus 4 plus 2, minus 1 minus 2, and 2 minus 5 plus 3. And then let's do this. We will be getting 11 minus 6, 3, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9, not 11, sorry, 12, 12 minus 9, we'll be getting here 19, minus 5, 16, and then minus 1 plus 2, minus 3, and we will be getting here 5 minus 5. Okay, so let's do the next. Okay, so it will be 5, 3, 3, 19 minus 5, 16, 1 minus 3, and 0. So it is our final answer. So with this last question, I want to end this video. If you have liked this video, then please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And until then, take care and bye bye.